Hi, everyone. Welcome back. We're going to start phase 2 of our virtual learning today. And we are going to start learning the new unit, which is Unit 4, the geometry unit. I think you'll like some of the work in here. It's not too hard, and you can use calculators on everything. So a couple of things that are going to change this marking period are the grading percentages. So first of all, let's talk about that. 50% of your grade is now going to be made up of your assignments, assessments, and any projects we give. So your daily work that you've been doing, like in phase 1, where I know some of you were concerned it didn't count for a lot of your grade, this is going to count for 50% of your grade now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is discussions. Discussions will be associated with like do now problems, Google Meets, and closing problems. So you will have 25% of your grade based on discussions. And finally, 25% of your grade will be based on reflections. They may be weekly reflections or daily reflections. They can be part of your closing. And you'll see when we get to those parts of the grading that I'll ask you some questions about what you learned, and that'll be put towards 25% of your grade. Okay, so we got 50% assignments, 25% discussions, and 25% reflection. Okay, so we're going to continue pretty much the way we have been because phase 1 worked out really well for most of you. We'll have videos each day to watch. I'll be available anytime you want for a Google Meet. We'll also have mandatory Google meetings during your periods, which are starting at 8:04 for 1-2, 9:42 for 5-6, and 11:20 for 9-10. So our class will start with a do now. We'll go into where I'll prepare a video for you and some examples. You're going to do some classwork just like what you've been doing. We're going to use IXL and Clever. We'll probably use Kahoot and quizzes periodically also. And you'll have a closing or reflection at least twice a week. Don't forget, if you have any questions or you need help with anything, I'm always available to you. Also, if you do have to check in with me at least once every day to as part of your attendance, although you don't have to be in the class at the exact time that you have it. Like, for example, if you come into another period and you ask a question, that's fine. I just need to make sure each of you check in with me at least once a day, and when you submit your work, and we'll also take attendance each day. Also, Miss McGurk is now on her maternity leave, so we have 2 new teachers with us for period 1-2. We're going to have Miss Stanek, so you'll see her in our Google Classroom, and for period 5-6, we're going to be working with Miss Russo, so you'll also see her as part of our classroom. She may be answering some of your questions and talking to you. So I look forward to working with everyone, and today we're going to start with square roots. I will post a video. We're going to do a review of rational and irrational numbers, and that's going to set you up for the next unit, which is going to be based on geometry, Pythagorean theorem. I think you'll like it. You can use calculators. Make sure you have a calculator available because you will need one. This unit is based on a lot of formulas and a lot of basic knowledge, so you'll be okay with this. Everyone will do fine. So tomorrow we'll start Pythagorean theorem. Today your assignment is going to be based on square roots. I know you know those. You know rational, irrational. We did it 100 times. So, well, everybody, I look forward to working with you during our next phase, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.